Thank you to all the media friends that you all are here with us. See, we on behalf of Youth TRIPURA Federation, the youth wing of TRIPURA, led by the Royal Saint Maharaja Prajit Vikram Manikebad. And see, today we are here with all our youths, more than thousands number of people. That as we know that few days back, and even a few months back, which we came to know through NDTV, and now we are here in the border in Belonia. So the Bangladesh government, under the leadership of Yunus, they have been constructing here. The news is that in this building a embankment, in the construction of embankment, and they have built and they have crossed beyond 50 gaj, which means both the Indians and the Bangladesh should be beyond that borders. But the Bangladesh is totally breaking the laws, and we and I and we as a whole organizations, be respect representatives of the nations, of the state as well, and of the also the as a indigenous people of Tripura. We have the rights to protect our land, and we have the rights to protect our boundaries. We have the rights to protect our border as well. Why is that? We are Indian. As an Indian, why you government of India is not taking and looking care of this? That's why Maharaj has clearly said that if the government of India can't take this step into it, we, the warriors of Maharaja, will not tolerate on these issues. And we are not going to give a single inch to Bangladeshi governments. This is our commitment, and this is our warranty as well. If you take a single inch, we are going to take your CHT, and we are going to take your Cox's Bazar. We will form a greater Tripura over there. This is our commitment. So I just want to warn the government of Bangladesh to be aware of it. We are the people, we are the son of the soil, knows how to protect our land. Because we have been saying this, that in this stage, why the people are not going for it? That's why we are here as a responsible citizens of India, as a responsible citizens of Tripura as well. That's why we are here today with a thousands number of people to oppose such constructed embankment by Bangladesh government under the leadership of Yunus. And once he said that landlocked, the notice of the landlocked countries, we are going to say, what do you mean by landlocked? हम उसका landlocked छीन के, हम उसका landlocked छीन के, हम लोग फिर से करेगा. That's what.